Well, hello everyone. This is Anita White with Love Your Art, and yes, we are back again, and I am so very excited because today I'm going to be doing a collaboration with Rosa. Actually, it's Nilda Rosa Rodriguez, and she's on the online painting school channel. I will link that in the description box below. Also, I just want to mention she's a phenomenal acrylic artist. She has amazing forms of acrylic paintings, and you don't want to miss it. Check out her channel. We are going to be doing colors that each of us have chosen from paintings that we have done. She's choosing colors that have come from my videos or from one of my videos, and I'm choosing colors that came from a video that she did, and it was called the Acrylic Pouring Dutch Pour with a Twist, Saving a Dutch Pour. And she has some phenomenal colors. There's quite a few of them. She did it on a round with a black base, and I'm doing it on a 12 by 24 inch canvas with the Artist Loft Acrylic Flow black base. I've already laid it out, popped my air bubbles, and I'm going to introduce the colors now. There are quite a few, but they are phenomenal. So, first we're going to begin with the Winsor and Newton Violet Winsor Galeria. Then we have the Amsterdam Permanent Red Violet. Now she had the actual permanent red light. I have just the permanent red. Then we have the Artist Loft Deep Yellow, Amsterdam Vermilon, Amsterdam Ultramarine Violet, Liquitex Basics Quinacridone Magenta, Amsterdam Yellowish Green, Artist Loft Green Yellow, and then she has a white, and I'm using the Brickrylic Titanium White. We have, with the base, 10 colors total. Now, like I said, she did hers on a round, and I'm using a canvas. So we're going to try and create a design. I'm not doing the same design she did, but I am going to try to create a design using the same colors that she used. So let's cross our fingers and hope for the very best. I'm too excited about this. We're going to begin here. And this is with the Winsor. Okay. And I'm just going to lay these colors out in the same order that I just announced them and introduced them to the canvas. They're absolutely amazing colors, and I'm just excited as can be about seeing what happens with this color palette. So beautiful. I love the colors that she was able to create using this palette. The design was so pretty. Everything was just really pretty. You gotta check it out. I'm excited too because with a collaboration you get to experience other artists and you get to be a part of their viewing audience, and it's just exciting to see that happen. So I really appreciate her reaching out to me. And Nilda, thank you. I hope you're watching. We're wanting to say thank you publicly because I really do appreciate the invite. I'm excited and looking so forward to seeing some amazing things happen with your awesome colors. And just in case you're wondering, guys, we are not going to forego our mini series on using minimal amounts of paint. We are going to go back to that. In fact, there'll be another video posted with this one as well. This is just an opportunity to switch something up just a little bit, but we will be returning with our next video, and it's dealing with 4 colors, how to make a Dutch pour using 4 colors. So don't feel like we're missing anything or we're going to forget about that. We are definitely not going to forget about that. Okay, let's move our friends aside and let's see what kind of fun we can have here with these awesome colors that Nilda put on her canvas. Okay, so here's the big challenge. It's always the challenge. Where do we begin? All right, I think I'm going to start here and move up, and we'll kind of go from there. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. These colors are so beautiful. Nilda, thank you so much for picking these colors and for allowing me to pick them to use in our Dutch pour on this channel. These colors are simply gorgeous. I see air bubbles, so I'm going to pop those, and hopefully we can really just bring you in for a close-up to see all of this amazement right here. So, so pretty. Again, this was 10 colors, or I should say 9 colors in the base, making a total of 10. But that is just all over the top gorgeous. I'm loving it. Okay, let's bring you in for a close-up, guys. You don't want to miss this. I am so super pleased with this. Thank you again, Nilda, for allowing me to share in your beautiful color palette and make something so awesome. I'm so pleased with this design, and especially the colors that have come out and using them in the exact order you did. So guys, let us know what you think in the comments, and give us your feedback. We so welcome it. We're always happy to hear from you. You can see we have done a 12 by 20 inch canvas, and we are so thrilled to be a part of a collaboration with Nilda Rosa Rodriguez from the Online Painting School. Check her out. Make sure you subscribe to her channel if you haven't done so already. And we are so pleased that you have stepped in to join us. So if you haven't done so here, go ahead and click that notification bell. Double check and make sure you're still subscribed, because we had a few people say, well, you know what, I haven't been receiving your videos and notifications. So check that notification bell out, guys, and make certain that it's on and that you can be notified each and every time we have another video. We're so happy to have you join us each and every time. And if you're a newbie, stay with us. You can do this, and we're going to make sure it happens. Until next time, keep loving your heart and your art. And we will be back with the next video upload. Take care now. Bye.